everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meka. If you are new here, welcome to the gang. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time I upload a video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey y'all, hey, what's up? And thank you for tuning into my video. So for the whole month of October, I wanted to do at least 14 Halloween looks, but according to my work schedule, that didn't allow me to make to do as much videos as I wanted to do. But this is my Halloween lookbook number 3 for this month. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is my Spider Girl Spiders, you know, lookbook number 3. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. So let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so after priming my face, I took my damp beauty blender and I went in with my foundation and I just applied it to one side of my face because only one side of my face is going to have makeup on it. So your girl went ahead and bought her a new paint palette, and it is so cute. It's really pigmented. These brushes came with the palette, so I'm just gonna take one of the brush and I'm gonna go in with the red. Right here you'll see I'm just trying to outline my face to see where I want to put the line. And now I took my liquid liner and I basically just went in with that and I drew the line just randomly, and then later on in the video you're gonna see me go back and erase it. And then, you know, because I realized I didn't look web-like, like a spider web, so I just went back in and kind of just did it over. So that's later on in the video. So after I drew the line, I went in with the red paint and I kind of just filled in the spaces where. But if I lay down and I Let's talk about the difference between this face paint and the other cheap ass paint that I had before. Let's talk about it though. I know on camera at some point it kind of looks orange, but it's red. It's like red and looks nice. So now is when I started to fix my lines to make it look more like a web. Okay? So, yeah. The only thing I didn't like about this paint was the fact that it took so long to dry. Even after a while, it still was wet. And I was just like, I was just so over it. But anyways, right now I'm going back in the same face paint palette, and I'm just gonna take the black and I'm gonna draw the lines on my face that's gonna be inside of the web. I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna stop me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, but you'll never be when I feel like this, I'm a back. When I feel like this, I'm be okay, okay, okay. Maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you couldn't stay strong and fake a smile and never look away. But I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. What brings aftermath when I hate my attacks? Okay guys, after I did that, I went back in with the same black face paint and I just made a circle around the white part to make it look like it was Spider-Man's eyeball. You know, however his mask looked on his face, so that's what I was trying to do here. And then I went back in with the white and I just did the white on the outside of the black to make it, to give it like a more pop. This look was really simple, guys. It was really simple. Okay, now that I have finished with the web, well, before I get into what I'm about to do next, I went ahead off camera and I just extended the web a little bit. Like, I gave it some little extra things coming off the bottom. So anyways, now I'm just gonna go in. I basically just drawing the body of the spider, and I draw, like, you know, a big circle, and then I went in with a smaller circle on top, and then I just drew on the legs. I mean, it's pretty much common sense. A spider is pretty easy, so you guys can just watch me. And then yeah, and then I did one on my cheek, I did one on my eyebrow, and then I did one on my lip. And as I did it on my lip, it looked as though I was, like, I ate half of the spider. So half of his body would be like inside my mouth, and then the other half is outside. Just keep watching and you will see how basically what I mean with that. And then after that, I just kind of just after I did all the spiders and everything, I added some fake blood to, like, the corners of my mouth, my forehead, and stuff like that, to, you know, give it like a little scary, creepy type of look. And then yeah, that was it. At some point I thought my camera was still recording, but unfortunately it was not. It said my card was full. So yeah, this was pretty much my Spider Girl, Spider-Man, Spider, whatever you want to call it. And there was something totally missing from this Halloween look. If you guys figured it out, just leave your comment down below and let me know what you thought was missing from this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes and